In the late 1800s, many Americans moved from farms to cities. Immigrants traveled to U.S. cities from countries all over the world. These people came to cities to look for jobs and usually ended up working in factories. Most factories were dangerous. Factory owners did not want to pay extra money to make the factories safe for workers. The machines in factories had no safety devices. Workers could easily get their clothing, hands, arms, or legs stuck in fast moving machines. Many workers were injured and thousands died each year in factory accidents. Factory employees also had to work long hours for little pay. Because there were so many people looking for jobs, employees were easy to replace. Therefore, the pay was low. People had to work as much as possible just to get by. It was not unusual for a workday to last more than 12 hours. Some workers did not get weekends off. They might get one day off every 2 weeks. Factory owners set these long hours because they knew the workers needed their jobs to survive. Workers felt trapped in dangerous, low paying jobs. They wanted someone to speak for them, so they joined unions. Unions, like the Knights of Labor and the American Federation of Labor, tried to get better treatment for workers. Union leaders wanted to meet with company managers to get them to treat their employees better. The union leaders' main goals were to get higher pay, an 8-hour workday, and safer workplaces for union members. The company managers sometimes refused to talk with union leaders and to meet with union demands. When this happened, the workers would go on strike. This means employees would stop working. For example, if a company cut workers' pay, then workers would not go to work. Employees would not work until the company agreed to raise their pay again. They would protest outside the factories. Sometimes protests became violent. During a strike, union leaders hoped the company would not be able to run without its workers. At the same time, though, the workers would not be paid. When a strike happened, workers wanted the union and the company manager to come to an agreement quickly. Unions helped workers receive better treatment and better work hours. However, it would be years before workers had many of the rights they have today.